Hello everyone, right now I am on the MeraTutor Homie Dashboard, and in this video we are gonna talk a bit about the dashboard, how to understand all the different matrices that you see on this beautiful dashboard that Homie has, and how you could use it for better learning. Now on the dashboard, when you log into MeraTutor Homie, the first screen that you land upon is the dashboard that you see right in front of your screen. Now here let's start with the learning goals. Before understanding learning goals, I want you to know that Homie has something called learning rings. Now learning rings are very similar to what you have on fitness apps like Apple Fitness or Google Fitness, wherein you exercise for such and such duration, you are able to close a ring. So similarly on Homie, we measure the learning process using the learning rings. So for example, here you can see that you can close the blue ring, which is that of the learning duration, by studying on Homie for more than 30 minutes. Also, the green ring is the learning curiosity ring. So it measures your curiosity. Every meaningful question you ask and read fully counts. The more you explore, the more this ring grows. So what it means is anytime you ask question to the AI personal tutor chatbot, we are going to count that as a learning curiosity question that's going to add up. And if you say ask 10 questions a day, you're going to complete the learning curiosity ring on Homie. Then we have the learning milestone ring, the purple color ring. And here we are measuring the number of pages that you have covered on Homie. So we track the new pages or chapters explored deeply. If you complete 5 pages on any of your courses on Homie, you are gonna be completing your learning milestone rings. That's all about the learning activity rings on Homie. You may want to set a higher benchmark for yourself for your learning outcomes. You could do that by clicking on edit learning goals. If you click on this option, all you have to do is go to these check boxes right here and use these plus and minus button to change the amount of learning duration or the amount of question you want to ask, and click on save changes, and then that's all you need to change or customize the setting for the learning activity rings. Now here on top we also have this view wherein we show you how your learning rings look across the whole week, Sunday till Saturday. Here, as you can see, there is some activity on Tuesday and of course no activity on Sunday and Monday. Now also, if you go to this place right here which says view all dates, you can see how your learning activities look like throughout the whole month. So we have June rings right here, we have May rings right here to track your learning activity throughout the month. Quite interesting, isn't it? Then we have the trends where we are comparing your weekly learning activity to your lifetime learning activity. So, your weekly average of learning duration, learning curiosity, and learning milestone compared to your lifetime learning milestone, learning curiosity, and learning duration. If you are doing better than your lifetime activity, you see it in green. And, if you have dropped matrices for the week compared to a lifetime activity, then you see that in red. We also have a feature of streak where every day you complete either one of the rings, either the learning duration ring or the curiosity ring or the learning milestone ring, you are going to earn a streak. That's a great way to stay motivated, and we recommend the students to maintain a healthy streak. Going ahead, the streak will earn you points, so we are going to add that as an exciting feature, but that's all about streak. We do have the safe chat alerts. Homie is completely safe to use for students and kids. So anytime a student or anybody using Homie asks a question that is flagged because of moderation on the Homie chatbot, it appears right here, right now, the safety alert. It shows us a warning sign, which signifies that, the student asked a critical off-topic query. So it says critical off-topic queries detected. So that's a great way to ensure education educators and parents know what their children are doing on the Homie chatbot and ensure that they coach and guide them for safe use of the chatbot for learning purposes. Down here we have the study time for the last 7 days, which is 4.58 hours. So you get to know how many hours did you study. The active days is 0 right now. Basically, every day you complete one of the ring, we are going to mark that as one of your active days. Right now we have none, so hence is 0, but there would be the active days showing up based on if you completed one of the rings. We have the total courses that are uploaded to Homie shown up right here. The total AI credits used for this month appears right here. Like I've used 36.7% of my credits this month. It's appearing right here. Here we have the learning duration for the last 7 days. So I can track how my learning duration looks like in the last 7 days. I can also click here and see my learning duration, how it all looks in the last 30 days. And of course you could also click on say 1 year and see how your learning duration has looked like in the last 1 year. We are at the top courses section where we have all our top courses laid out based on the number of AI queries that we have asked to the Homie personal tutor chatbot. So mathematics has the highest number of queries that we have asked, followed by science and so on, and that's how we ensure the top courses are arranged on the Homie dashboard. Every subscription on Homie comes with a fixed amount of storage. So right now my subscription has a 500 MB of storage assigned and 405 MB is all free. So I've just used 18.82% of my storage. So I'm cool for now. And you could also click on this gear icon and you could click to manage your storage by deleting some of the files, or you may upgrade your plan. If you don't want to delete your files and have more storage, you could do that from this option. The credit usage statistics tell us about the credits that are allocated to our subscription every month. So my subscription has 5 million credits allocated every month, out of which I have utilized 1.8 million this month, and this is what is remaining. 3.1 million credits is remaining. The usage chart for the last 7 days is showing us on which days I have used how much of those AI credits. I could also take a look for the last 30 days usage of my AI credit day wise. If I click on by model, it shows me what models I have used for these AI credits. For example, about 1.2 million credits have been used for the prime model and about 737k credits on the basic model. If you want more details, there is this section where you could look at the detailed report. This is what you see. The credits were assigned to your subscription account, and on a daily basis how much credit is gonna go out. You're gonna see all those detailed report of credit usage using this report. So that's all about the MeraTutor Homie dashboard. Thanks for watching this video.